this computer. Alright guys, so welcome for our third day ba? Pang third day ba natin ngayon? Hindi, tama, third day. Alright, so tonight let's launch a couple of campaign setup even if you don't have your website ready. Okay, kahit na wala pa kayong website, pwede kayong mag-run ng campaigns using the Messenger or the instant Facebook lead form as your anong tawag dito, lead generation campaigns for your lead generation campaigns, I mean. All right, so you can stop sharing. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Now, ito yung mga na forward sa akin ni Ma'am Brenda na let me know guys if you can see my screen, type 1. And yung audio ko if okay para at least hindi sayang yung recording natin. Baka mamaya hindi siya okay, good. All right. So, a couple of images na sinend sa akin ni Ma'am Brenda. So, ito yung add 1, okay? And I want to scrutinize this as an advertiser, okay? One by one. And including the ad copy na sinend niya sa akin. Okay, and then yung video. Okay. So, unahin ko muna tong image 1. Okay. Um, if ako yung if ako yung user na makakita ng ad na to, I want before I give my thoughts, ano yung ano muna. Ito Ma'am Brenda, ano to parang collaboration to of multiple heads. Sabi nga multiple heads are better than one. Kayo muna, anong tingin yung things to improve? Tingin nyo ba okay na ba sa inyo to? Ano yung posibleng pwede pang ma-improve dito or kung ikaw yung makakita ng ad na to, mapapa-opt-in ka ba talaga or ano yung unang thoughts nyo? Sige nga, yung mga nandito na naka-join na. Kahit i-type nyo lang sa sa anong tawag dito sa chat box. Pwede kayong mag-unmute if you want and you can bring your own Parang you can give your own thoughts about the image. Anyone? Or nahihiya? Nahihiya? Sige, go ahead.
Feedback would be much appreciated talaga.
Yes, we need other eyeballs. We need other like we can scrutinize the image. Wala? O nahihiya? Nahihiya. Okay. Ayun, meron yata tayong comment. Madami text. Yon. Okay. So, si Ma'am Aynalyn, madami text. Sino pa? Sino pang ibang magbibigay ng thoughts nila? Welcome to. Hindi naman hindi ito para ipahiya si Ma'am Brenda dito or anything na we are helping her actually, no? So, yung hook po wala. Okay, good. Sino pa? Meron pa? Meron pang any other thoughts na na nakita nila? Wala? Okay. May isa pa dito. Alignment po. Okay, good. Okay. So I think we have three it's good enough na yon yung mga comments nila. And I agree, no, Ma'am Brenda. Ang daming text, parang there's so much thing going on doon sa image. And if I were to
tinatanong ko kakainin, wala kayo sumagot.
Ayan. Mute all ko muna ako Mute all ko muna. Okay. Good. So, meron yatang isa pang comment last. Maliit yung word na free training para pansin agad, sana less words. Sana din less people. Yes, exactly. Maliit yung call to action mo. Okay? Yung register na mo nasa taas, maliit yung call to action mo. Pangalawa, sobrang andaming text. There's so much thing going on. Then, hindi clear yung iyong message. Okay? Yun yung unang agad naming napansin, including ako, and including yung classmates mo dito. So, kailangan nating something na unang tingin pa lang nila, alam nilang may sinosolve kang problema. Okay? We have to put our shoes in the end user kung ano ba yung pain points na nararamdaman nila at at this point in time. Let's say, for example, if I am the end user and I'm struggling to get an additional source of income, how can you help this person get an additional income out of your program? Nakuha mo yung point? Nakuha niyo yung yung thoughts nung bakit kailangan importante yung creatives. Kaya tinatawag natin tong creatives or assets, no? Kasi kaya tinawag siyang creatives kasi we have to be creative enough to persuade the users to take action from our ad para kumbaga maging relevant sa kanila yung ad na nakikita nila in their newsfeed. Okay? Sabi ni Ma'am Aineline, always make it red yung free training na words. Red naman siya. Ang problema lang dito is sobrang liit. Okay? And then, again, there's so much thing going on. Okay? Number 2, FB ad 2, the same thing. Ayan yung napansin ko. Sobrang daming text. Okay? Tapos hindi clear yung anong tawag dito, yung messaging. Personal branding and income diversification. Hindi align yung text. Tapos, eto crowded masyado. So, I'd rather remove this kasi hindi na to masyadong nagmamatter. Tanggalin ko din to. No? Tanggalin ko to. Yung register now, I would suggest to put it down here. Okay? And then mas malaki. Tapos, join our free training. Free for the first 100 signups only. Ano yun? Parang para saan yung join the free training? Dapat dito, after nung sinabi mong join the free training or our free training, ano yung makukuha nila doon sa free training? Laging ganun dapat yung natin, yung mindset natin na ano yung what do they get in return doon sa free training? Okay? Although nakalagay naman dito personal branding and income diversification, pero hindi siya nag-stand out kasi nga ang daming text na nakalagay. Okay? So, sa video naman, ito yung video.
No sounds nga lang.
Okay, tinanggal ko talaga yung sounds para Okay? So again, ang dami niyang images. Okay? Crowded masyado. Training, consulting, multi-support, VA. Okay? So, kung makikita ko siya, hindi ko siya agad magigets na kung para saan yung ad mo. Okay? Hindi ko siya agad magigets. Dedication and heart, we succeed together. It doesn't solve a problem. Close to a century of combined experiences, BPO technology training, blah blah blah. You are trying to promote your expertise dito Parang you're trying to anong tawag dito? You're talking about yourself, which is hindi dapat. Dapat ang perspective natin, you talk about them always. Okay? Kasi sila yung binibigyan natin ng sinusolusyon natin yung problema nila. Tayo ay nagbibigay ng solusyon sa problema nila. Okay? Nakita niyo yung ad ko, di ba? Specific kong sinabi doon sa ad ko, struggling ka din ba mag-navigate ng ads manager? And nag-resonate agad sa inyo, kaya kayo nandito. Tama? No, kung hindi nag-resonate sa inyo yung messaging ko, and of course yung anong tawag dito, yung hook ko doon sa headline ko is join the 5-day Facebook ads challenge for only $4.99. It's like buying a cup of coffee sa Starbucks plus a donut, 'di ba? Parang no-brainer, mapapaano ka talaga, mapapa-opt-in ka. So yun yung importante na kailangan mo i-hook agad yung users na ano bang meron sa iyo, bakit sila mag-join sa program mo. No, importante 'yan. Masyado mahaba ang video, 3 to 5 seconds dapat po ma-hook. Yes, correct. Tama po si Ma'am Aineline. Dapat 3 to 5 seconds ma-hook na agad sila kung ano ibig mong sabihin. Okay? So let's try to recreate this image, okay? And please help me Ma'am Brenda, kasi you know your business more than I do. Okay? You know your customers more than I do. So we need to come up with something na makakasolve ng problema nila. Okay? So all you need to do, guys, punta kayo ng Canva. Free naman mag-ano dito, mag-sign up. So, let's create a design. All you need to do is to create a design. Custom size, 1080 by 1080 dapat. Or square. Square yan kwadrado. So, pasado na to sa lahat ng halos lahat ng placements. Okay, you don't need to worry about other anong tawag dito, other dimensions. Okay? So, create a new design. Tapos, 'di ba ang ano na to is webinar yata to, no? Tama ba? Magwo-webinar ka ba dito, Ma'am Brenda?
No, digital training product siya. So bali magsa-sign up sila sa learn.solcruiseconnect.com, and then November 14 they'll have access dun sa training.
So recorded siya.
Sorta, yes. Oo.
Okay. So recorded siya. Bakit November 14 pa? Kasi yung website hindi pa siya up, ganun ba?
Dun pa lang magiging available yung mga modules,
Resources.
mga
Resources.
resources.
So kailangan mo talaga ng lead generation dito, no? Okay.
Yes. Bali meron ng website pero hindi pa rin siya fully finished.
Fully
Oo.
functional. Okay. So, ang gawin natin dito, punta ka lang sa design. Gawa tayo ng siguro probably parang webinar template. Okay? Webinar template. Tapos make sure guys na yung color mo magi-stand out talaga. No, as pag nakita nila sa newsfeed, kunyari ito, alam ko agad na matingkad ang kulay nito Mamili kayo guys ng kulay na medyo talagang attention grabbing agad, no? Pag yung malinis, try ko to. Okay? And then let's remove a couple of text, okay? So that would be like November 14, 2003. Okay, so ano ba yung November?
Or Coach, inaano ko rin yung parang brand colors.
Okay, sige. Anong brand colors mo is orange, yellow. Yellow. Okay.
Parang gold, black, blue, and gray.
Sige, mag-yellow tayo. Okay. So,
parang orangey, itong nasa solid color sa baba, katabi ng orange if you go down.
Katabi ng orange.
Go down pa ng konti. Di ba, yan, yellow yan.
Ito.
Yung katabi niya.
Ito.
To the right, yes.
Okay.
Ay, parang nag-peach. Okay, anyway.
Sige. Anong color ba? Ito?
Parang orangey kasi siya sa akin kasi nag-automatic, pero siguro mas okay yung katabi ng peach na lang. Mas orange
Ito. Ito.
Yes, yan na lang siguro. Mas
Okay,
closer.
Okay, sige. So, tanggalin natin tong ibang nandito. Tapos, ano ba yung November 14? That's November 14, Tuesday, no? So, palitan natin to. Tuesday. Okay, and then 14. Tapos, palitan natin. November. Okay. Then, free, no? Tama ba? Free?
Free for the first 100 sign-ups. So.
Okay. So, pangit yung niya, yung call to action button niya masyadong maliit. Tanggalin ko yan. Tapos, ito, again, hindi mo na kailangan ng mga details na yan kasi hindi naman sila, So, ang gagawin natin, meron bang specific time yun? Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Okay, so tanggalin na natin to. Okay. Specific speaker, wala naman?
Multiple naman yan
So. Okay, so tanggalin natin to. Okay, so, pain points, ano yung pain points na pwede nating ilagay dito? Join the target natin parents, no?
Bali, a homeschooling parent na need ng additional income, somebody looking for work, so that's also income. Tapos yung employee already, parang just branding themselves.
So,
and wants additional income.
Okay, let's try to let's consult ChatGPT. Okay, punta kayo ng chat.openai.com. Okay. Medyo mabagal lang yung net natin ngayon. Balik ako dito. Ano kaya magandang hook dito? Hanap tayo dito. write a short headline about additional income. Okay, write a short headline about additional income for Facebook ads.
And then yung parang pinaka-ano din sa module nakita ko is career uncertainty, financial challenges.
Okay. So, be very careful guys dun sa sa word na financial challenges kasi mapa-flag ni FB 'yon. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-call out yung mga target audience na are you struggling with financial are you struggling financially, something like that. Mapa-flag ni FB 'yon pagka kayo ng messaging na gano'n. So, we can say something like are you looking for additional income? Pwede ba 'yon? Pasok ba dun sa mo?
Yes, oo.
Okay, are you looking for additional income? Question mark. Then let's resize this probably 60. And then let's move it like here. Tapos let's say for example, tanggalin natin to. Are you looking for additional income? Move lang natin to. And then let's say for example, are you looking for additional income? Then best for lagay natin dito, best for moms or parents.
Siguro best for parang people, job seekers, new job seekers siguro.
Best for job seekers. Ayan.
Or basta gusto lang nilang additional income, mga ganun din.
Yan, okay. So, i-call out mo agad yung nila, kung ano yung demographics nila. Okay, best for job seekers. Okay, dapat clear agad yung yung messaging mo. Best for job seekers.
Can we have two po? Kasi kumbaga it's job seekers or somebody who wants to improve their career. So, career
Or
advancement or
career, okay, career advancement. Yan. Na-call out mo agad sila doon sa iyong ad. So dito is free free for the first free for the first 100 signups. Tama?
Yes.
Free for the first 100 signups. Tapos, palitan lang natin para hindi masyadong readable. So, move natin yung tao dito. Okay? Then, copy ko to. Move ko lang ng... Copy ko to. Move ko lang ng konti. Then, itong register now dito sa gitna, move ko siya dito sa baba. Kasi di mapapansin nyo, yung ad kasi, yung call to action nandito, yung learn more or yung sign up button, nasa bandang kanan lagi yon ng Facebook ads. So, ang gagawin nyo dyan, lalakihan nyo lang to para kitang-kita yung call to action. Register. Sorry. Sorry guys about my Okay. Okay. Are you looking for additional income? Free for the first 100 signups. Best for job seekers or looking for career advancement. Damn it. Pasok ba, ma'am? Okay ba yung messaging natin?
Yes,
Okay, so lalakihin pa natin ang konti. Okay? And then, name ko lang to. Brenda Aduan. Okay? And then, download via PNG. Okay? Download. So, ano siya agad? Diretso siya na ano, na anong tawag dito? Nakuha mo agad yung attention ng users. Meron pa tayong text dito. Easy ways for parents to boost their income passively. Yan, pwede to. Yung kay Ma'am Ainalyn. Easy ways for parents to boost their income passively. Pwede yan. Gawin nating ano yan. Gawin nating headline yan mamaya. Yung kay Ma'am Ainalyn. Okay? So, let's close this one. Balik tayo dito sa business settings. Punta ako ng ad accounts. I-launch natin yung ad ni Ma'am Brenda. Okay? So, create ako ng campaign. And then I'm going to select instead the engagement, kasi yung engagement nandito yung messages eh. Okay, instead the engagement ang isi-select ko, leads. Okay? Punta ako sa leads. Continue. Okay? And then, pagdating ko dito sa ad level, teka, punta muna tayo sa campaign level. Campaign name, no? Usually, name ko to ng 1, TOF or tofu. Okay? Tofu conversions CTM. Okay? Ang ibig na sabihin ng CTM, click to message. Tapos lagyan ko leads. Okay? Click to message, leads. Okay? Yan yung campaign name natin. Okay? Pagdating doon sa ad set level, pwede mo itong lagyan ng testing pala. Testing. Kasi dito ka magte-test eh. Ite-test mo yung audience mo, yung copy mo. Okay? Pagdating dito sa ad set level, usually ginagawa ko to PH. Tapos parents. Teka, parents nga ba yung ano natin? Parents plus entrepreneurship. Yan yung unang ano natin, di ba? Entrepreneurship. Okay? And then, ang isa-select mo dito, messenger muna tayo. Okay, mamaya na tayo sa instant forms. Messenger. Tapos, ito kasi multiple pages yung nakaano sa akin. So, hanapin ko yung page ni Ma'am Brenda. Sol Cruz, no? So, ayan, Sol Cruz Connect. Ayan. Pinilitan ko lang. Tapos, please read and accept Meta lead ads before creating ad for this page. So, view terms mo lang. And then, I agree to terms and conditions. Okay? So, in-accept ko lang in behalf of Ma'am Brenda's Facebook page. Kasi I'm the one who is setting this up. So, i-accept ko obviously. Palitan ko ng budget, 100 pesos. Ilo-launch ko siya ng October 30, 12 midnight. Okay? AM. And then, location, Philippines. Kapag hindi nyo makita yung interest targeting, punta lang kayo sa switch to original audience options. Okay? Use original audience. Tapos, pwede nyo palitan to kung parents yan, more or less, nasa around ang target demographics, pasabihin na natin
20 plus.
25 to 65 plus. Pabayaan mo lang mag-learn yung Facebook kung ano talagang age range. Tapos, genders, obviously, both of them. Both male and female. And then, punta natin yung parents. Parents all. Tapos, narrow audience natin who is also interested in entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. Ang hahanapin mo doon ay interest. Okay? Wag yung job title, interest. Okay, para yung ano natin, audience estimated size is 4.5 million to 5.2 M. Okay? You can always select Advantage Plus placements, recommended yon. So, we'll keep it as it is. Pagdating natin sa ad level,
Pwede rin bang i-add, di ba, you have yung demographics mo is parang parents, meron din ba dun like job seekers or
meron din,
working?
pwede nating idagdag tong yung careers. Let's say kung if may lalabas. Career employment.
Okay.
Actually, pwede natin idagdag dito. Career employment.
Advisable ba yon na multiple or kailangan nakatutok sa isa lang?
Mas maganda kung meron ka talagang specific na demographics talaga na isa lang. Okay? Pero since meron tayong nakikita na parang probability itong mga taong to naghahanap din kasi ng extra income or business opportunities. So that's why we put in the narrowing nung or yung tinatawag nating layering from parents and also people who are seeking employment or wanting to actually pwede natin lagyan pa to ng passive income dito. Ayun, passive income yan. Okay? So that will target parents and also looking for career employment, passive income. Pwede rin career development, lagyan natin. Development, tingnan natin. Ayun, career development. Okay? So we still have 4.6. So hindi naman nagbago yung atin. Coach, mas maganda ba talaga yung advanced gamitin sa placement? Yes, kasi Facebook will try to find the best ad placement for your ad. But in most cases, in some cases, you always need to test. Okay? Yung tinatawag nating ABT. Okay? ABT, always be testing. Always be testing. So testingin mo pa rin kung ano yung mas nagbibigay sa ng resulta. Yung ad placement ba na automatic or yung manual placement. So nasa sayo pa rin 'yan. Okay? So let's move on sa ad level. Again guys, 'di ba, ni-name ko yung image natin ng Brenda 1. Kung ano yung image naming convention mo sa mismong image, yun din ang ilalagay mo sa yung image dito sa PNG na yan, yun din ilalagay mo dito, naming convention mo. Okay? Next, ilalagay natin yung image, add image. Okay? Upload. Tapos Brenda 1 kasi mas madali kapag yung naming convention nung image tsaka nung PNG image mo is pareho pagdating sa Ads Manager kasi madali mo siyang mahahanap. Okay? Click next. Done. Okay? Then may image ka na dito. Okay? Meron tayong kanina yung anong tawag dito, yung headline na ginawa ni Ma'am Ainalyn, lagay natin dito. Copy, kinapi ko yung nasa tapos lagay natin yun as headline. Okay? Okay? Best easy ways for parents to boost their income possibly. Okay. So, yun, meron na tayong headline. Tapos yung text kasi natin, ayan So, copy natin to. Hindi natin to dapat ito nasa baba Teka lang. Copy ko lang. Okay. Ito lang yung kakopy ko. Copy. And then, punta ko dito. Primary text. Okay. Napansin nyo guys dito, ito, tutukan nyo muna tong part na to ha. Wait lang. Ito, tingnan nyo tong part na to. Okay? Importante guys na dito pa lang sa first sentence, okay? First block ng inyong sentence, dapat na-address mo na yung tao na target demographics mo. Unleash your potential for free. Para kanino? Walang nakalagay. So dapat dito, i-call out mo na agad sila. Alam mo dito, attention, parents, no? Tapos lagay ka dito, punta ka ng Pili app Facebook-symbols, ayan. Tapos hanap ka ng emojis diyan na something that will catch their attention na.
Pero coach, ang worry ko lang kasi kung ang first tag natin is parents, baka yung hindi parents, hindi sila maengganyo dun sa ad. 'Di ba?
Hindi problema 'yon kasi yung targeting natin dito parents So magte-test ka pa rin ng ibang
Okay.
magte-test ka pa rin ng ibang ad set tsaka ibang ad targeting other demographics kasi naka-specific yung call out natin dito sa ad natin na parents kasi nga ang target demographics natin yung first layer of target demographics natin is parents. So definitely hahanapin ni Facebook yan yung mga parents talaga.
Okay,
Tapos
so
yung may combination na ganito.
So what you mean is parang merong isa pa na iba naman yung demographics
Correct.
na target. Okay, got it.
So
Thank you.
magduduplicate ka pa ng isang ad set na ibang, kasi di ba napansin mo, kaya ako nilagyan ng testing kasi nga, doon sa mismong campaign level, lahat ng demographics, itetest mo yun, pati yung combination ng ad, combination ng headline, combination ng copy. So, lagyan muna natin tong Brenda 1, okay? Tapos, clear naman doon sa ad set level ko kung ano yung naming convention ko na parents plus entrepreneurship. Kaya, pag kinall out mo sila dito, parents agad. Okay, so hanap tayo ng, anong tawag dito? Let's say for example, ito. Okay, tapos lagay natin. Attention parents, ayun, join our course. So tanggalin ko tong join our course. Lagay natin dito, are you looking for personal branding and income diversification for success? Question mark, of course. Tapos be one of the first 500 signups and get this course absolutely free. Tapos space. Kasi may mga tao na hindi nila nababasa pag dikit-dikit yung text. Okay, discover the power of personal branding, blah, blah, blah. Learn to build, okay. And then, you need to create space again para, anong tawag dito? Ma-maximize yung iyong reading, yung kanilang reading comprehension. Minsan, hindi sila hindi mo masisisi yung ibang users na pag dikit-dikit hindi na masyadong mabasa. So, basta importante yung unang text, unang sentence dito, dapat na-call out mo agad para alam nila kung para kanino talaga to. Although target parents natin tina-target, pero kailangan i-ano mo pa rin sila. I-call out mo doon sa copy mo. Okay? Now, pagdating mo dito sa pagdating mo dito sa template, okay, you need to create a sequence. Lagay mo dito, okay, hi Clarence, we'd like to know how we can help you. Please answer a few questions so one of our representatives may follow up with you. Now, ano yung mga possible questions na answerable by yes or no na pwede nating i-ask on from the get-go? Are you interested in career development? Pwede ba yon? Career development? Let me know kung okay itong ano. Are you interested in career development and are you interested are you looking for additional source of income? Additional source of income and boost your career. Are you looking for a source of income or want to boost your career? Okay ba yun? O may iba ka man naisip na ano?
Source of income or want to boost your career. Okay na po yan. Okay,
pasok. Okay. So, are you looking for additional source of income or want to boost your career? Then, meron tinatawag dito na ito kasi yung questions na pre-qualifying questions, okay? Para at least alam mo kung sino talaga yung seryoso or hindi. Ang users meron siyang option to click yes or no, okay? So yung not now dito papalitan natin ng no. Okay? Para at least yung pag nagsabi ng no, disqualified agad sila. Okay? Madi-disqualified sila and then alam ni Facebook kung sino yung similar people who are likely to engage with your ads. So kailangan mo to para at least ma-distinguish ni Facebook kung sino yung interesado at hindi. Okay? Amongst those demographics na sinelect mo. Tapos pagdating dito sa city, hindi mo naman kailangan to Tanggalin natin, remove. Then next question will be ano pang naisip mong questions na posibleng yung posibleng anong tawag dito, frequently asked questions. Lagay pa tayo dito.
Inisip ko yung siguro yung mode of training if they're comfortable na parang online siya on their own time versus yung live.
I see.
I don't know how to phrase that though.
Okay, so custom question tayo. Tapos anong tawag dito? Teka, ano ba pwedeng multiple? Baka meron tong multiple. So, custom question, job title, gender, carousel. Okay. Custom question muna tayo. Let's say, for example, the question could be something like, um, do you want to learn
Do you want to learn at your own pace? Do you
yes,
want,
pwede. Do you want to learn at your own pace? Or would you like to have a live training? Pwede ba 'yon?
oh, ano pace siguro na lang yung PACE? Do you want to learn at your own pace or prefer live training?
Paano yung spelling ng
Ano?
pace?
PACE, Papa
Ito.
Alpha. Ayan.
Okay, okay. Do you want to learn at your own pace?
Or prefer.
Or do you prefer live training?
Ayan.
Okay. Tapos, answers, pwedeng maglagay ka ng, anong tawag dito? Maglagay ka ng multiple answers. Possible is, do you want to learn at your own pace or do you prefer live training? So, own pace. Tapos, dito is live training.
Pwede rin isa blended.
Okay, hybrid na yung tinatawag na
Oh,
hybrid.
hybrid. Sige.
And then, own pace, live training, and then add option, blended. Hybrid, mas maganda blended or hybrid? Ikaw, anong mas ano?
Blended talaga.
Blended,
sa
okay.
training.
Blended. Okay. Blended. Yun. So, meron tayo, nangyari. So, meron tayong own pace, kaya nag 2 plus yan kasi merong, ibig sabihin dalawa yun nandito, hindi natin nakikita. Pero ayan, nakikita mo naman dito sa part na to. Next is, dito, additional question is, make it short, no? Yung questions nyo, at least make it 1 to 2. Tapos yung last question nyo would be like the email address, okay? What is your correct, papalitan nyo lagi ito, what is your correct email address? Okay? And then, wag mo siyang i-allow to skip. Okay? Para at least, yun yung kasagay yung pinaka-importante, yung email nila. Para at least pwede mo silang ma-nurture doon sa email marketing niyo. Okay? So, allow answer validation para hindi nila ito ma-skip. Okay? What is your correct email address? Then, completion message. Thanks for answering our questions, blah, blah, blah. If you want to put a PDF file, pwede kang maglagay dun sa website link mo or no attachment at all. Okay? So, ano yung ano mo?
Website link na lang siguro.
Website link is Solcruise.
Solcruiseconnect.com or ayan yan yung registration learn.solcruise.com.
Ayan, okay. So, copy. Then, website link. Lagay ko dito sa enter URL link. Call to action button. Visit our website to learn more. Okay. Okay. And then, disqualification message. Naka-ano naman to, naka-default. So, we're all good with that. Pagdating nyo, guys, sa privacy policy, okay, hihingihan kasi kayo dito ng privacy policy link. Since wala pa kayong website na merong privacy policy link nyo, ang gawin nyo muna is kunin nyo muna yung Facebook page URL nyo. No? Punta muna kayo ng hanapin ko muna yung page switch Solcruise Connect. Okay, puntahan ko yung next. Okay, accept. Pupunta ko muna tong profile ko, profile ng page para makukuha ko yung URL dito. Okay? Okay, use page ko muna. Okay. Kukunin ko tong URL na to. Yun na muna ang ilalagay ko dito since wala ka pang website. No? And then, paste mo dito. And then, reviewin mo muna bago may publish. Hi, Clarence. We'd like to know how we can help you. Blah, blah, blah. Are you looking for additional source of income or want to boost your career? Yes or no? Do you want to learn at your own pace or do you prefer live training? So makikita nyo dito kung based on your demographics, ano yung mas gusto nila. Okay? And then what is your correct email address? Blah, blah, blah. And then save and finish. Okay, got it? And then this should resolve the issue, or where is it? Nasa na yung ano natin? Nasa na yung ginawa natin? Teka lang refresh ko muna.
Coach,
Reload.
while nagre-refresh siya, ask ko lang, meron kayong recommendations dun sa parang privacy policy?
Um, Sa ano yun, Ma'am Brenda? Sa advanced training, meron ako ng tutorial kung paano ka
Okay.
mag-create ng privacy policy. No?
Okay.
So, makikita mo doon yun. Since nag-upgrade ka naman, open mo sa senior specialist course, then makikita mo kung paano mag-create ng privacy policy. Okay?
Got it.
So,
Thank you.
asan na yung ginawa ko? Ba't di lumalabas? Ha? Ba't di lumalabas? Na-save ko ba? Di ba na-save ko? Hindi ko ba siya na-save? Teka, ba't di lumalabas? Hindi ko nabasa yung pop-up kanina. Baka hindi, baka mag-uulit tayo nito. Teka. Fuck, hindi ko yata na-save. Damn it. Okay. Damn it. Fucking hell. Okay, message. Ulit tayo. Teka, hindi ko yata na-save. So, yes or no? Sana na-remember ko pa yung ginawa natin dito. Delete. Tapos, anong tawag dito? Add question, custom question. Ano nga yung na natin?
Are you interested in additional income or career advancement? Parang ganun.
Are you looking for additional income or
Career
you-
advancement?
or career advancement? Yeah. Hindi ko yata na ano. And then answers. Yes. And next additional option. Ay, teka. Nawala tayo. Answer text, yes. Okay. Then dito sa question is ano yung sumunod natin? Kalimutan ko.
Yung sa training pace.
Okay,
How
okay.
do you want your training?
Okay. How would you like to have your training? Is it live or ano yun? Nasabi ko, nakalimutan ko.
Ano ba? Self-pace, live,
Okay.
and
Okay,
then blended.
Self-pace, live, and then blended.
Tapos, coach, yung isang question, yung are you looking for additional income or career advancement? Parang walang choice na no, yes lang siya.
Saan na ba yan? Are you looking for additional income or career advancement? Yes. Okay. Additional option. Disqualification natin to. No. Yan. So, no. Okay. So, accept other answers. Pwede ka rin. Okay. Kung halimbawa, aside from doon sa questions na to, meron pa silang additional questions. So, pwede ka mag-accept. Okay. Tapos, how would you like to have your training? Self-paced, live, and then blended. And then, last one natin is yung email address, right? So, email. What is your, hindi natin sila i-allow na mag-skip, okay? What is your correct email address, okay? Completion message, okay? And then, website link. Visit our website to learn more. And then, yung URL natin ay, nasa na yan? Ito. Copy. Then paste. Disqualification message, all good. Privacy policy, yung page natin. Palitan mo lang ito, Ma'am Brenda, pagka doon sa pag nag-create ka ng privacy policy.
Okay.
Nandoon sa senior specialist course. Okay, and then all you need to do is to save and finish. Ito dito ako templates you finish will be saved so you can reuse them from okay, got it. Ayun, na-resolve na. Ayun, lumabas na siya. May automated chat na tayo, created 1029. Pero bakit kanina hindi siya hindi ko siguro na publish. So nawala na yung dito, yung notification. Refresh natin. Okay? And then all I'm gonna do is hit publish. Okay? So meaning, meron tayong first avatar. Okay? So pag tinignan mo siya dito, naka-scheduled na siya. Ang gagawin ko muna is pause ko muna yan para hindi mo mag-run. So it's up to you if you want to get this live later on, maya-maya. Ikaw na lang mag-turn on. So pagdating dito sa ad set level, meron kang demographics, di ba? So PH, parents, entrepreneurship, and then yung ad level, nandoon yung naming convention mo dun sa ad. All you need to do is kung gusto mong mag-test pa ng additional demographics or interest targeting, all you need to do is to duplicate this one. Okay? And then, palitan mo lang tong naming convention ng ad set na to. Di ba? Nakikita mo copy. Probability ba mga salesperson din to? Demographics ito pwedeng salesperson din?
Sales.
Nasa sales din sila? Pwede?
Well, pwede siya pero not necessarily. Siguro parang more on job seekers. Yung starting pa lang ng job nila.
Okay,
ganun.
okay. So, ang gagawin natin dito, instead na yung parents yung unang layer, no? Pwede natin tong career developments, career. Okay. So, copy natin to and then remove natin lahat. Tanggalin natin pati yung parents. Yun yung pinaka main targeting mo. Tanggalin natin tong lalabas siya dyan. Career development, careers. Okay. I-uncheck mo muna to kapag nagtitest ka muna. Kasi ang laki nito, 54 million. So, advantage detail targeting, i-unselect mo muna yan. Tapos makikita mo nasa 8.5. Diba? Ang laki ng binaba. 8.5 million to 10 million. Pag in-advantage mo kasi kaagad, pag nagtitesting ka pa lang, 54 million yan. Sobrang laki niyan. Okay.
So, Coach, ano yung advantage? Hindi kasi ako familiar.
Ganito kasi yan. Doon sa, halimbawa yung targeting ni Facebook. Ganito eh. Di ba ang targeting natin career development? Okay? Pag pumunta ka dito sa pool of audience, ito yung pool of audience, di ba? So, alam ni Facebook na ang career development is how many? 8.5 million. Alam ni Facebook 8.5 million yan. Okay? Ang audience size niya. Pag in-advantage mo kasi yan, pag kinilik mo yung advantage detail targeting, lalabas yun dito. Okay? Sa pool of audience mo na 8.5 million, lalabas yun dito. Pas posibleng yung career development, it also match, pwedeng entrepreneurship, pwedeng, passive income. So, ibig sabihin, yung eksaktong pool of audience mo ng 8.5 million, pag nakita ni Facebook na nag-optimize siya outside doon sa target audience mo, lalabas yun. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kaya nga nakita mo from 8.5 naging 51 million. Kasi nga, di ba nakita mo yung layering natin doon sa parents? Meron tayong other layers aside from parents. So, kapag nagte-test ka, wag mo muna i-select yung advantage detail targeting. I-uncheck mo muna yan. Okay? Tapos, ang gagawin mo dito, copy mo to, papalitan mo lang yung naming convention mo sa taas. Okay? Career development. Then, you hit, papalitan mo to dito sa ad level mo ng attention job seekers. Yan, pwedeng Kaya lang yung word na job seekers, mapa-flag to ni Facebook eh. mapa-flag yung ano mo na as employment opportunity. So hindi mo siya dapat lalagyan ng job seekers. Dapat dito attention, anong tawag dito?
Career advancement, hindi may ano yan eh, may term dapat.
Itong tanggalin natin tong attention, 'di ba yung parents kasi kanina. So ang gagawin natin dito, are you looking for career advancement? Yan. Are you looking for career advancement and boost your success? Help me out, guys. Are you looking for a career advancement and boost your success in your field? Pwede ba yan?
Yan na lang.
Okay. Are you looking for career advancement and boost your career in your field? Boost your success in your field? Okay. So, yun lang papalitan mo. And then the rest is okay. And then all you need to do is to publish. So, yun lang yung pinalitan mo. Yung unang copy lang para at least tailored fit doon sa target demographics na tina-target mo. Nakuha? So, meron na tayong campaign for testing. Leads campaign. Okay? Now, meron pa akong isa-set up na isang campaign. Okay? I'm gonna remove this one. And then, I'm gonna duplicate para yung pagkakopyahan natin nasa bandang kaliwa. Tapos yung original campaign nandito sa kanan. Di ba kanina sinelect natin is, anong tawag dito? Sinelect natin is messaging campaign. This time naman, leads pa rin, create. Okay? Teka, kopyahin ko to Kopyahin ko to. Para hindi na mag-type mamaya. So, leads pa rin. Continue. Tapos, paste ko dito yung naming convention. Papalitan ko lang to ng FB form. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin ko dito, FB form. Punta ako ng campaign level, ng ad set level, sorry. Okay? PH. Ganun pa rin. Parents. Okay? Tapos, instead na messenger, ang gagamitin ko, instant forms. Okay? Same thing. Palitan ko yung budget ko, 100 pesos. Okay? 12 midnight. Then, switch to original targeting. Lagay ko dito is parents, all. And then, entrepreneurship, yung layer niya. Entrepreneurship. That would be interest, okay? And then, I'll head over doon sa ad level. Same thing, ang gagawin ko lang, kokopihin ko lang yun nandito para hindi na ako mahirapan. So, copy yung naming convention. Then, punta ako doon sa, ito. Copy ko yan. Kung mabilis guys, pwede nyo naman balikan to. Pwede nyo i-pause pag binalikan nyo yung recording. So, kunin ko to. Okay, and then, headline. You can always select yung call to action nyo kung sign up ba, subscribe. So, depende kung may papadownload kayo. So, depende sa call to action nyo. Okay? Tapos, palitan ko ng image. Remove ko to. Add image. So, since may in-upload na ako kanina, click ko lang to. Next, done. Okay, and then, eto, mag-ask si FB ng form. Yan. So, we're gonna create a form. Create form from scratch. We just need to change this to like Brenda FB form sample para meron tayo. Naming convention. And then, all you need to do, guys, is select either more volume, higher intent. Itong rich creative kasi bago lang to, hindi ko pa nagagamit, honestly. Sabi dito, hold your audience attention with this form that integrates your company's images and messaging, including an optional about us, blah, blah, blah. Di ko pa siya nagagamit honestly. Bago lang siya, kalo-launch lang a couple of months ago siguro. Kasi halos last session nakita ko lang 'to, bago lang siya. So, pag more volume kasi merong siyang anong tawag dito, yung pag nag-opt-in sila doon sa form, makikita nila agad, mag-i-slide sila agad, tapos regardless kung tama ba yung email na sinubmit nila or hindi, kaya hindi masyadong potent yung cost, yung mga leads na nakukuha dito minsan. Pag mag-higher intent ka kasi, may mga additional questions ka na pwedeng itanong sa kanila para ma-pre-qualify mo yung audience mo. Okay? But if you want more volume, you can select more volume this time muna. And then you can select intro. You can either use the image from your ad or you can upload your own image. Make sure na ang dimension niya is 1200 by 628. Pag pumunta ka ng Canva, dapat yun yung size niya. Okay, 1200 by 628. Pero for the sake of this demonstration, we will use the image from the ad itself. Kaya lumalabas siya dito. Okay? Enter a short headline. Ang lalagay natin dito, gamitin muna natin tong headline na ito. Yung doon sa ating ano. Okay, para hindi na tayo anong tawag dito, para mabilis na tayo maka-create ng form. Tapos sa paragraph, lagyan natin dito ng, siguro copy ko lang dito, discover the power of personal branding and income diversification. Gamitin ko muna siya as paragraph. Okay, and then questions. You can ask questions like email, full name, or you can add numbers. Okay? If you want to, ano tawag dito, add additional info dito, you can ask number. Okay? Pagdating dito sa add category, click mo lang yung phone number. Kung gusto mong i-collect pati yung phone number nila. Okay? So, sa description, pwede mo ilagay dito, please fill out your information below, and one of our representatives will get in touch. Will reach out. Yeah. Okay, I'm just making this out, so you can just change the description later on. Okay.
And
So,
question, Coach,
yes.
once they fill out the form, yung information, saan siya pupunta? Paano siya makikita?
Ituturo ko sa inyo maya-maya
Okay.
pag na-publish ko ito, para at least
Thank you.
makita niyo kung saan mo siya i-download. Okay? So, email, phone number, and at least i-move mo tong full name para nasa taas siya. Okay? And then email and phone number. Okay? So, ganito na itsura niya. Privacy policy, again, pag wala ka pang privacy policy, gamitin mo muna yung link ng Facebook page mo. Ito guys, yung hindi ito standard. Pinagbabawal na technique lang to. Kaya, ano lang to. Yung tinuturo ko sa inyo na to, malamang hindi pa to alam ni Facebook. Kaya, hindi pa napa-flag. Pero, sorry. Dito pala yung link sa taas. Tapos, ito, lagyan mo ng Sol Cruz Privacy Policy. Pinagbabawal na technique yan guys So, fill out this form to get free training yan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ainelin. You're so helpful. Yan. Please fill out this form. This form to get the free training. Yan. Oops. Okay. Then, privacy policy. Yan, nalagay na natin yung URL. Link text, Sol Cruz Privacy Policy. Again, kapag meron ka ng privacy policy sa website mo, then you can always change the link. No? Kaya nilagay ko to guys, parang pantapal muna ba? Yung temporary solution muna kasi para maka-move on tayo dun sa Pero ito magra-run to kahit na ito yung nilagay nyo. So don't worry guys, pwede nyo i-run tong campaign na to. Kaya lang, ayun nga, wag mo siyang i-run for in the long term. Dapat mapapalitan mo to ng privacy policy later on. Okay? Message for leads. Thanks, you're all set. You can visit our website or exit the form now. So, link ng website is, asan na yan? Ano nga ba yung link natin? Learn dot, ano yan? Soul Cruise ba?
solcruiseconnect.com.
soulcruiseconnect.com. Okay. So yun yung link, and then visit website. And then that's it. If you want guys to let the users download a file, pwede mong i-select to, view file. And then you can add media if you want to let them to download a PDF file, pwede mong i-upload dito. Add media, pwedeng image, PNG, pwedeng PDF, PDF, PNG or JPEG, pwede yan. Okay? But this time, let's just select view website for now. And then call to action, visit our website. Okay. Then, description pala. Ano nakalagay dito? Description. Kalimutan ko yung nakalagay dito. Thanks, you're all set. We'll contact you na lang. Contact you to provide you. We'll contact to provide you more info. Yan. Okay, so again guys, I'm just making this up para maano natin yung oras natin. And then, create form. Okay? Now, if you want to make changes, ma'am, later on, Ma'am Brenda, all you need to do is, dun sa ginawa ko na to, if you want to make changes, kaya nilagay ko dito, Brenda FB form sample, click mo lang to, duplicate, and then rename the form. Let's say, Brenda FB form final, or bahala ka na kung anong naming convention that makes sense to your newly created form. Okay? So by this time, i-move ko muna to, and then what I'm gonna do is publish. Okay? Yan. So meron na tayong dalawang campaign. The first one is optimizing for messages. Okay? Kaya nga, nilagay ko dito CTM, click to message. Tapos ito namang isa, conversions FB form leads. Ibig sabihin, gamit yung Facebook lead form. Now, ang tanong ni Ma'am Brenda kanina, saan ko makikita yung leads na pumapasok? Meron kang dalawang option. Makikita mo yan dito pag pumunta ka ng ad level. Okay? Makikita mo yan dito on Facebook lead. No? Itong on Facebook lead na to, pag may nakita ka ng results dito, all you need to do is to click this one. And then you can download it as a CSV file. Okay? Or you can connect your CRM. Nasa advanced training to, ma'am. Hindi ko po siya i-discuss dito ngayon. So you can connect your CRM, Customer Retention Management. Again, nasa ano siya? Nasa senior specialist course. Okay? And then you can download CSV file. Download either XLS or CSV. Yun yung first option mo para anong tawag dito? Ma-download mo yung leads. Kaya lang matrabaho to kasi everyday, i-check mo kung may pumasok bang leads tapos everyday magda-download ka. Kaya po kailangan ng ma-connect yung CRM, okay, yung customer retention management mo para hindi diretso na doon sa ano mo, sa CRM mo. Okay? So I'm not gonna talk about more of this CRM kasi medyo technical nito masyado. The second one you can go to kung halimbawang i-browse mo yung leads na na-collect mo is by going here. All tools. Look for, saan na nga ba yan?
Bali, coach, yung form naka-publish na siya, tapos yung sa messaging hindi pa siya naka-publish, or dapat naka-publish na rin?
Naka-publish siya. Na-publish ko both of these campaigns na. So both of them are published, but ito, in-review na nga siya.
Okay.
But pinost ko muna siya para hindi siya mag-live. Okay? If you want to make some changes, you can always make some changes out of it. That's why I turn it off muna. Okay? So dito guys sa sa on Facebook lead, 'di ba, ginamit natin CTM. Makikita nyo rin doon, lalabas din yung doon sa ad level yung anong tawag dito, yung leads, okay, via CSV. Second option para mahanap mo yung kung nasaan yung mga leads, punta ka ng all tools. Saan ko na ba yung makikita? Nasa store location. It's reporting. Ito ang problema kay Facebook eh. Pabago-bago ng location yan eh. So business settings. Punta ka ng pages. Excuse me. Nasa ano to eh? Nasa Meta Business Suite. Pupuntahan mo yung view page. Okay? Nasa Meta Business Suite yan. Tapos, ano nangyari? Yun, lead center. Yun, lead center. Meta Business Suite. Welcome to lead center. Continue. Yan. Dito mo siya makikita. Yung lahat ng leads mo na ito, yung sample lead na ginawa natin kanina. Okay? Anong tawag dito? Dito mayroon pumasok yan. So makikita mo lahat dito, ayan oh, yung URL business facebook.com latest/lead center. Okay? Tapos itong asset ID, magkakaiba tayo ng asset ID. So ang magbabago lang dito for each and every one of you is itong asset ID. Pero yung URL na to, pare-pareho tayo ng URL hanggang dito. Okay? So dito mo siya makikita and you can download leads as CSV. Okay? Check muna natin guys sa ibang sa ibang client ko, baka pwede tayo makakita ng sample na meron ng leads na pumasok. Ito, try ko nga ito. Continue. Hindi, kasi website leads pala to. Teka, hanap nga ako dito ng meron ako dito, saves at last. Teka lang Sino ba dito yung may leads? Ito, try natin to. Select dates. Last 30 days. Teka. Sino yung pwedeng maging example natin dito? Ito siguro. Your lead data is loading. We are working on fetching. Ayan o. Dapat lalabas siya dito. Teka ha. Select dates last 30 days. Bago na naman tong ni Facebook. Bago na naman yung interface niya. Dapat lumalabas siya dito. So, basta dito guys, lalabas dito yung lahat ng anong tawag dito, yung leads, captured leads nyo. And then you can download it one time. Click nyo lang itong arrow down na to. Okay? Or you can add leads manually. Okay? Pero I'd rather, I would suggest guys to use a CRM. Okay? If you want to learn more about an advanced training about CRM, yun, I encourage you guys to go to upgrade for senior specialist course. Okay? So, yun, nakapag-launch tayo guys ng dalawang campaign using click-to-message ads and then Facebook lead form. Okay, if you have guys website, you can also collect leads via website. Okay? Or via landing page, which is yun nga, nasa nasa advanced learning po natin, digital scientist course. Question guys, madugo, matrabaho? anong bio interactions natin ngayong gabi guys?
Ako po, coach.
Sure, Mark.
Yes. Since we are talking about the mga leads no ng mga parang kay Ma'am Brenda, ano ba to ma'am yung parang magti-training kayo 'di ba ng mga tao?
Well, yung bigyan lang kita ng background, more really on consulting kami, tapos would be offering multiple services. Then magsa-start muna kami at first ng mga digital trainings, and then next year mag-o-offer na kami ng additional. So for now, digital trainings muna,
Para sa mga job
target
seekers.
for job seekers, tapos sa BPO, kasi yung colleagues ko and myself, most of us are really sa BPO industry.
So bali parang kayo yung supplier ng mga tao halimbawa, yung BPO companies naghahanap ng mga call center agent, mga ganun.
Well, multiple services. Pwede kaming gumawa ng training for a BPO company for their leadership development training, or kung gusto nilang gumawa ng training for their call center agents, that's one. Or pwede kaming gumawa ng process improvement doon sa mga training programs nila or processes nila. So, consultancy talaga yung pinaka-main. Pero we're going to start muna with one basic
So
offering.
hindi consultancy, so meaning hindi kayo yung supplier ng mga,
No.
ah,
Oo.
Hindi siya
Kumbaga,
outsourcing.
service
Okay, hindi
talaga
ba?
yung provide service talaga. Pero magsa-start muna kami with basic training habang binibuild up namin yung organization.
Sa case ko naman kasi, parang hindi ko, paano ko ma-relate to? Kasi dati, nag-advertise ako ng mga jobs, di ba, hiring yung company namin. So, yung Facebook is meron dating jobs, tapos doon ako nag-advertise. So, yung FB ads ba, coach, is advisable ba gamitin for hiring kung nangangailangan kayo ng mga tao?
Yes, oo. Pwede kang kasi meron si Facebook employment category.
Ah,
May
kasi
Yes.
kasi sabi nyo kanina, bawal yung job seekers. Mga words ba?
Hindi.
Mga
Pwede
words
kang
ng job
pwede
seekers.
kang pwede kang mag-advertise for job seekers. Pwede nilang i-fill out yung form. Kaya lang nasa special category yung part na yun. Let's say for example, mag-run ka ng real estate campaign. Kailangan anong tawag dito? I-formalize mo kay Facebook na nasa category ng real estate ka.
Yan pala. Okay.
Oo,
Ganun pa lang.
kasi ano yan ang iniiwasan ni Facebook diyan, yung ma-single out yung mga job seekers kasi merong mga iniiwasan nila yung mga anong pangalan na ito, yung mga discrimination. Let's say for example, let's say I don't know, anong religion affiliated ka ba? Yung mga tipong we only hire this group of religious affiliation. Ayaw ni Facebook ng ganon. And then you can pagka yung tipong nag-launch ka din ng ad na let's say kung nasa real estate ka, halimbawa naglagay ka doon ng are you kumbaga ang income mo ba ay nagre-range ng ganito between ganito ganyan, ayaw ni Facebook ng ganon. So mapa-flag yung madi-disable yung account mo. Tapos let's say sa ano na lang, sa health and wellness niche na lang.
Okay.
Mataba ka ba? Gusto mo bang magpapayat? Flag ka doon agad. Disabled ang account mo. Eto, meron ako ditong kape na pampapayat. Gusto mo bang magpapayat? Overweight ka ba? Again, one of the policy ni Facebook yun. Kaya reviewin nyo guys yung Facebook advertising guidelines. Kasama yun sa course ko doon sa beginner's guide. Reviewin nyo yun para hindi kayo magkamali. At hindi malagay sa alanganin yung ad account nyo.
So, yan kasi yung mga kinakatakutan ko na mag-FB ads, yung mga bawal.
So, yun. Welcome, Sir Harold. Yan, housing. So, housing, real estate. Anong tawag dito? Ano pa ba? Yung yung mga masyadong merong requirements ng anong tawag dito? Yung mga demographics na na pwede nilang na posibleng ma-single out. Let's say for example, napakahigpit sa European market. Pero sila tinatawag na nakalimutan ko yung word. Hindi ka makakapag-run agad ng sa European market. Kailangan very strict yung kanilang lead generation doon. Hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta maglagay ng are you looking for a career advancement? Yung mga wordings na yon, automatic flag yon. So, kailangan very careful ka mag-curate ng ad copy mo. You can get away if you are gonna put that premise sa image mismo. No, yung kinreate mong ad sa image.
So sa
Probab-
image parang safe siya ilagay.
Medyo safe pa siya.
Okay.
Kasi dalawa kasi ang nagre-review ng ad mo. AI, Facebook AI, tsaka humans.
Okay.
Kapag bago lang yung ad account mo, make sure na yung ad copy mo ay very clean into like discriminating someone from their demographics. Very careful ka dapat doon pag lalo pa bago yung ad mo. Siguro pag nag-run na yung ad mo ng about 1 to 2 months, 3 months, you can insert a little bit of those words na gusto mo talagang ilagay doon sa ad copy. So yun yung advice ko. Kasi again, Facebook doesn't have that manpower to police every ad copy. Sa dami ng advertisers, hindi kukulangin sila sa human intervention in terms of pagre-review ng ads. Kaya nga pag bagong ad account ka, human ang nag-i-intervention diyan. Human ang nagre-review. Pag na-review na ng human yan, yun, pasado na yon. Tapos kapag ka na-prove mo yung anong tawag dito? Pag na-prove mo kay Facebook na you are following their advertising guidelines, then you can be able to continue without any hassle. Pero make sure na ano ka pa rin, Facebook compliant yung copy mo. Okay?
So pag nagkamali ka, coach, one time lang, ban ka na agad? Or
there's at least wala kasing walang number of hits. Tinatawag kong hits yun eh. I'm not sure kung ano yung tawag nila
So
sa
meaning, kahit isang pa lang, hits pa lang, pwede ka nang maban?
Nung nag-uumpisa ako na ano tawag dito, na experience ko, one hit lang ako.
Oh, no.
Ban yung account ko. One hit lang ako nung nag-uumpisa pa lang ako. During that day, those days, parang 3 years ago yata yon, or I don't know, 4 years ago. So, na one hit ako, kaya nga itong ad account ko na to, pangatlo or pang-apat ko na to. Itong since then. Pangatlo siguro. So, yun eh. Ano to? Yung pangatlo na yon, talagang make sure ko na anong tawag dito, hindi siya mababan. Anong dahilan ng one hit coach? Hindi si Facebook nagsasabi. walang no warning signs na na let's say we are preventing you from from advertising because of this. Meron silang absolute, kumbaga sa pag nasa korte ka, meron ka kaagad absolute anong tawag dito? Yung hatol. May hatol ka na kaagad. Wala kang magagawa. Pero ngayon medyo maluwag na sila kasi marami nagrereklamo advertiser. Ma'am Ainalyn, sa local nagagawa ko hindi ilagay sa category ng housing kapag real estate, pero kapag international yung target ko na location, nag-error need talaga isa sa housing category. Yes, sobrang kasi sa US, lalo sa European country, sobrang higpit. Okay, sa US kasi may mga classification ng ng income. May mga classification ng income, so hindi mo siya basta-basta pwedeng i-call out yung tao na are you within this range of income between ganito, flag ka kaagad. So hindi ka pa pwede doon. Dito nga sa atin medyo medyo loose pa yung kanilang anong tawag dito, yung kanilang AI. So yun. All right, so I think we were able to discuss the different campaign setup. Anything else? I think nag-overtime tayo. 1 hour and 30 minutes na tayo. And close to 30 minutes. Anything else? Question?
Wala na po.
Okay. So tomorrow, let's continue our discussion. And then we will be talking more about different scaling setup. Scaling ano tawag dito, kung paano kayo mag-scale ng campaign nyo. Okay? And then you can also be able to retarget those people who have engaged with your campaign or your ad so that yung mga may possibility na mag-opt-in. May mga tao kasi na ay nakita ko yung ad, interesado ako, sinave ko muna, tapos later on nakakalimutan na nila. So I'll be teaching you guys how to retarget those people who have already engaged with your ad. Okay? So kung may mga additional question, let me know guys para at least i-reviewin natin by tomorrow. Okay? And then huwag kayong mawawala guys sa last day of session natin sa day 5. Pinaka-importante yon kasi nandoon yung computation kung paano ka magiging profitable kay Facebook. Alright? So yun na muna guys. Thank you so much for tonight and I'll see you tomorrow at exactly 7:30 p.m. Alright? So see you guys tomorrow and have a good day. Bye-bye.